Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today again is a requested video by many of my subscribers who would like me to make an L-Glutathione cream. This is a skin fairness cream to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, to give you a very good complexion. So today we are going to go ahead and make this cream. Now the basic formulation of a skin lightening cream will be shared, but the L-Glutathione is something which we do only during the workshops, because there are a lot of stabilizers that are needed to be added in this cream so that with the course of time it doesn't give out any smell. So we'll quickly start with the making of this. Now here I have my water phase, and I have taken my water. I have also added a little bit of glycerin, propanediol. I have also added a little bit of niacinamide to this because it helps to give a better effect when added with L-Glutathione. Here I have my oil phase. I have taken my blend of stabilizers, my emulsifiers, my oils, my thickeners, everything is there in my oil phase. And here I have my L-Glutathione powder, which I'm going to be using to make this cream. So we'll quickly go ahead and heat both our oil and water phase. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now I will add my water phase into my oil phase, and we'll go ahead and give this a blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this well, and now if you all can see how this is thickening. Now as the solution will cool down, this will completely thicken into a lovely cream consistency. So we'll just wait for this to completely cool down, and then we will add our cool down phase ingredients. Okay, so now we waited for the solution to completely cool down, and if you can see how beautiful this cream has formed into a lovely cream consistency. Now this will thin out a little after we add our L-Glutathione, so we need the consistency to be like this, a very nice thick cream. So now I'm going ahead and adding my L-Glutathione powder to this, and we'll go ahead and give it a mix. So if you see that the cream starts to thin out a little, but this will again thicken into a perfect, not a very thick cream consistency, but into a perfect lightweight cream consistency. Along with this, I will go ahead and add my preservative. I have already weighed out the preservative, and I'll just add a few drops of fragrance to this, and we'll give it a final mix. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed everything well together, all the fragrance, the preservative, the L-Glutathione, and this is the beautiful consistency that we have of the cream here. Extremely lightweight on the skin and very effective. I will show you all a little on the skin how lightweight this is and how easy absorbing it is on the skin. It gets easily absorbed and doesn't leave any oiliness or greasiness on the skin. So friends, this is it with my L-Glutathione Skin Whitening Cream. Extremely effective. If you all would like to learn how to make these advanced formulations, stable ones, you all can connect with me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box for all my upcoming workshop details. And if you all do like my videos, what I like with what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.